Hey everyone, this is Ryan Hauser, and in this video we're just going to go over really quick on getting started in cryptocurrency. Now first of all, what is cryptocurrency? You've probably heard in the news about Bitcoin or Ethereum or something like that, digital currency, and you're going to hear a lot more about it. Guys and girls, it is the future. There's nothing you can do about it. You cannot stop it. Trust me, if you could stop it, the banks would have stopped it. It cannot be stopped. It is also a heck of a lot more secure than the traditional banking is that we've been doing. So it's not a matter of if you get in, it's a matter of when. So you might as well get in now where it's extremely lucrative for you to get involved into cryptocurrency. All right. Now there's a lot of ways to get into cryptocurrency and a lot of myths about that are keeping people away from getting in. For example, Bitcoin, say Bitcoin's at $13,000. People think they have to have $13,000 to buy a Bitcoin. Well, yeah, to buy a full Bitcoin, but you can buy like a millionth of a Bitcoin. You can buy $1 worth of Bitcoin. Okay, it's just look at it as digital currency, which is what you're already using right now. For example, you go and you're buying stuff at a store and you're using a credit card. Well, that's all digital. You didn't give them any cash. Okay, your job may be putting your checks in your bank. Well, that's digital. They're transferring it digitally. Well, then you go use a debit card. I mean, that money that you're spending never turns into cash. It's already digital currency. The only difference is with cryptocurrency, it's more legit, it's more secure, it's safer, and you're now in control. Think about it. You're the bank. Okay? You get to be your own bank. All right? So you definitely want to get involved. It's extremely easy. Do not let fear, do not let your lack of knowledge in this space hold you back, because I'm telling you, you will be getting involved into cryptocurrency. So why not get in now when there's a chance to make a lot of money in cryptocurrency? All right, now if you want to know more about cryptocurrency, all you got to do is click the link below and it'll take you over to a site where you'll see some more of my free cryptocurrency training. Okay, also make sure that you subscribe to this channel, like and comment on this video as well. All right, now for those of you that just want to get going really quick, what's the easiest way? And not like I recommend this way, but you can easily just download the Coinbase app or crypto.com app on your phone, and you literally can go buy some cryptocurrency. Okay, but don't go getting reckless buying this cryptocurrency without knowing what you need to do. You definitely want to do a little bit of investigation, a little bit of education in the subject to know which cryptocurrencies to buy, which ones are more stable, which ones can give you really good returns, etc. And so all you need to do is click the link in the description if you want to learn more about that, and we'll get you over into some free cryptocurrency training so that you can benefit your financial future. All right, cryptocurrency is the future. It is the answer. It will take over every single industry where we have finances involved with, okay? The blockchain technology, which I don't want to get too involved with on this video, is basically what the cryptocurrency operates on, and the blockchain technology is literally going to attach itself to every single industry that is present in the world today. And it's definitely something that you want to get educated in just to know about it. You don't have to become an expert at it, but you definitely want to know what it is, and the earlier that you can get that, the better. Okay, guys, and you can get into cryptocurrencies for as little as $1. All right, and guess what? That dollar, that is now an asset. You're not just going and buying any hype or something like that. You're literally just buying a currency, so to speak. All right, so click the link in the description. We'll get you over into some more free training on cryptocurrency. But I cannot stress this enough. You need to get in now, get educated in the space, and you'll definitely thank me later. So subscribe, click the link in the description, and we'll see you in another video.